In today's episode, we're working on the entryway and the stairway. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, I'm decorating my entryway tables and my stairwell. So if you're interested in seeing how I did all of this foolishness, yes, it was foolishness. Your girl had a migraine and I was still getting it in. So if you want to see how it all came out, you know what to do. Stick around. Stick around to the end. I have a question I want to ask you. And also, some things changed. Let me know what you think. Okay, I finally finished the stair rails. Yes, they were kicking the girls' butt, but I got it done. I have the garland, the green garland, the garland lights, and the ball or ornament garland that I did a few years ago. I got the top rails done, and I got the top rails and the bottom rails done. 4 hands are better than 2. Last year when I did the garland, I had my niece, so yeah, 4 hands are better, but they turned out really pretty. And here are the entryway tables completed. I have my snowman family and a tree. Now these snowmen, you can't make out the eyes, they're totally frosted. And then the greenery is actually a leftover part of an old tree. And then the ornaments here are part of the ornament garland. And I put on the word faith on the table. I always keep that on this table. They came out really pretty, I think. Simple, to the point. As you see, my theme, snowman, hint, hint, hint. And then I did the nook here, and everything in the nook I already had in my stash. And all those flowers in the nook, I think they came from the 99-cents only store a few years back. So I always reuse. I think I need to straighten them out some more, fan them out a little bit more to give them a fresher look.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden.
Well, I didn't like it. I wasn't feeling it totally. So I added the snow with the greenery and I have the snow hanging off the table. I thought that may be okay. But on the other table, I put the snow or the faux fur, all on the complete table. So tell me which one you prefer the best. Because I wasn't feeling the other ones. It was something missing. You know how we do it. We keep playing around till we find what we actually like. So let me know down below which one you prefer. The one without or the one with snow. But here's the other entryway table. Now this is another snowman family. And as you see, they have the rosy cheeks. Now I really like the blinking lights here on the stair rail. These are garland lights that are battery operated. Now I have a set of 4, I believe. I have 2 sets on this one and 2 on the one up above. But I think overall it came out really nice and I'm really liking the entryway. I can't wait to show you the whole walkthrough. So let me know what you think down below. You know I love reading your comments. And of course, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you be blessed.